Hello internet, today we'll do some unboxing of few accessories which I bought from Amazon for my Dominar 400. So this is actually one is chain cleaner brush, another is chain lube, and next is G roller which will help in extending my Dominar, since my Dominar doesn't have any main stand. So let's unbox and see what came. This G roller is medium size. I bought for 1300 and 1399 from Amazon, and packaging is nice, and it came in 2-3 days, and the brand is Grand Pitstop. So let's unbox it. Okay, let's see how it is. So here is the box. The packaging is nice. This is the bill, and this is, yeah, packaging is nice. We'll see. Okay, so first impression is size is looking very small as compared to mine. So some user manual they have given how to use for front tire and rear tire. So first is placement, how to place, then second is mounting, third is engaging side stand, and then how to rotate the wheel, then uninstalling, removal of. So it's just one page manual, which is good thing, and for if you don't know and you're starting, then it is very good. Otherwise you will struggle a lot. We'll put the side and we'll see. Okay, so this is the G roller itself. Okay, so size, okay, the product is nice. It's looking pretty much nice. Here is the branding Grand Pitstop, then one stainless steel, three roller kind thing are there. This is fixed, first one is fixed and two are rotatable, and it's, yeah, it's I think around more than 500 gram, and we will see, we'll check with maybe in upcoming video. I will check and how it is, it sturdy or good. It should not slip at least. We'll see and check.